Hello friends, today we will unbox or review the Together with Geography book of class 10 for ICC students, and it's a book of presented by Rachna Sagar, publisher. You can see the book, it's a new edition of 2020. You can also see here price 395. You can contact these emails, these YouTube. Now let's open it. So at first you can see like this in the first page, second page this type, third. This book has some silent feature in it. It is the best book for geography for class 10 students of ICSC. You can see here it's given. Let's see what's given in the book. See, it's a topo map is also given here, and map of India. So you can see that the topo map here, the explanation is given, all explanation, and solve here solve is also given of class of year wise questions, and the topo sheet is given at last of the book. At the last of the book, see, you can see topo sheet is given at the last of the book. You can see here all the topo sheets are given, 45D by 10, 7, and both you can practice, and so many, and all class last year 10 years topo sheet which has come in exam, a part of it is given here, provided. You can see the map is also provided here. You can learn from this map. All the things are provided very nicely. Here you can also see some question papers are also at last, and here you can also see some solved maps are also there, so you can solve it. In this book there are many silent feature about which I am going to tell you. Is that in this let's see a chapter climate. Let's see chapter climate, and I will show you what type of silent features are there in this book. So it's a chapter climate. You can see here it is explained in an arranged manner. So here important terms and concepts are given. In every chapter it's given. Here the type of monsoon explanation is given. See here explanation is given. Explanation. All is explanation. Point-wise explanation, and the main is point-wise explanation because ICC wants point-wise answers. Here it's also given solved questions. You can see solved question is also given, solved question plus answers. Here solved question, here give reasoning which come in ICSC mostly from the climate chapter. Here solved question are given. Solved question, define term following, difference between, and you can also see a database map question is also given here. You can see all the things, your database map question, and the main thing is a practice question is given, and the answer is given below. Means at last, at here answer is, all answers are given, like you can see here of climate. See, you can see practice question, all answers are given here, and here comes after practice, here comes self-evaluation test, and a self-evaluation test answer is also given of climate chapter, and whole chapter wise it is given. So it is very good book and nice book. So thank you, subscribe our channel.